Hello dear students. Today we are going to learn about how to write a notice for 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th classes in an easy format. Let's start writing. The thing which you need to keep in mind by writing notice, just look at it here. The name of the school organization, issuing authority or agency in bold letters you have to write it in capital letters. Then write a notice. Then the third subtitle, the title of the event. It should be catchy headline in bold letters. Then put a issuing date. Okay, then you have to write the body of the notice, reason for writing the notice, relevant event and occasion. That information you need to put along with day, date, time and venue. Please make sure students that the issuing date which we have given is 22nd April 2026 is the day of the notice, and the main event of the notice is 28th April 2026. Content, body of the notice and date of the event must be 5 to 6 days later. Signature, name and designation, authorized signature. These are the things which you need to remember while writing a notice. Let's quickly go. Notice writing format for 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th class students. Telangana Government High School notice, you can see tree plantation day I have given over there. Now it's 2nd January 2022. This is to inform all the students of Telangana Government High School that our school is conducting an event on Tree Plantation Day. You can add additional information in order to create awareness among the students to plant trees and keep your surroundings neat, clean, green, and healthy. Then you can put a day, date, time, venue. All the interested students are instructed to participate and submit your name to the undersigned latest by so and so date you can mention. Then you have to write your name, your designation, and a school name in capitals. Now moving on. For the actual notice, please check it out, students, what more changes I have done for the same notice. So you can see, imagine you are the cultural secretary of school and your school is organizing an event on Tree Plantation Day. On occasion of Harita Haran, now write a notice and inform all the students about the event and their participation. You must include day, date, time and venue. Now you can see what changes I have made and how I have written the notice. See, ZP Government High School, you can write as the main heading, then put a notice. Then the title should be Tree Plantation Day, the important title. Then put a date, 2nd January 2026 we have given. Then this is how you need to start writing the notice. This is to inform all the students of ZP High School that our school is conducting an event on Tree Plantation Day on occasion of Harita Haran in order to create awareness among the students to protect environment by planting trees and make it neat, clean, green and healthy. You can put the day, time, day Monday you can give, and time 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. The day of the event, time of the event. Date you put 10th January 2026. You can see students, for the issuing date of the notice we have given 2nd January and the main event of the date we have given 10th January. Okay? Because the notice will be issued before 10 to 8 days so that the students can prepare well for the event. So please make sure about these changes. 2nd January 2026, the issuing date, and the day of the event is 10th January we have given. So there is an 8-day gap between this. Time you can give venue, school auditorium you can write. Then you have to write all the students, all the interested students are instructed to participate and come along with seedlings, flower pot, plants and submit it to your class teacher. Submit it to your school in charge, latest by. The last date you can submit this on 6th January 2026. You can write your name, your designation as a cultural secretary, and your school name. In abbreviation you can write along with the city. So this is how is a correct format of writing notice. So please be well prepared and write it like this for getting full 5 marks for your examination. All the best for your exams. And if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends as well.